What's up, you guys? It's your boy Boozy Boo, man. I'm back with another vlog, man. Shit, today is lit, you feel me? I'm still grinding and working, man. I told y'all I was at the shop for a couple days, but your boy been moved back in with the gang, you feel me? The gang has reunited, you feel me? Reuniting with the gang. So right now, your boy's in the Cadillac truck, you feel me? I don't care, scrape the rims on these hoes. He ain't even try to do it. You know when you're doing good shit, bad shit happen, you feel me? I always come with that. But right now, we couldn't get them off because we don't have the proper set tools to get it off. We need that thick material, you feel me? Like, you know, that thick motherfuckers. So right now, we on the way to the oil changing place to see can they get them off. If not, we're gonna take them probably to my guy off of Highway 6, you feel me? But we in a Cadillac truck, man. We ride. Boozy Boo is still finna be lit with the vlogs every day, but now they finna be more little because I got people around me that can like actually hype me up, you feel me, that know the game already, that gonna help a nigga, like wanna see a nigga win. Even though everybody wanna see a nigga win, you know what I'm saying? My people gonna show me the way. They miss me though. I miss them too for real. Y'all know how I am with the game, you feel me? But we in the caddy, you feel me? We in the Cadillac truck 2023. I never drove this bitch with the 30s on it. Too bad I gotta drive it to take them off. So we on our way to see can they do it for us. Y'all see the stocks in the back and the wheels in the back. Taking the 30s off, man. The 30s coming off again, man, you feel me? Y'all stay tuned for today's vlog. The shit only a couple minutes up the road, so I'll get back to y'all when I get to the shop. You feel me? What's up, you guys? We just made it to the place, man. My guy getting the tires out the back of the trunk for me. You feel me? We finna get these hoes on. Get the party back on the road, man. Y'all probably ain't even seen scratch, but it's really not that bad. He could have kept them hoes on, but he picking. Yeah, we got him. Oh no, that bitch is bad right there. That's bad. Well, damn. That shit crazy. You know the box Chevy gone? The blue one? We gave it away. I don't like that. Yeah, that mug gone. We finally got the Hellcat back. That bitch finna go too. See, this bitch kinda look good with the wheels, with the cap off. But shit, it's good, man. This bitch back presidential. This the presidential look it gets. You feel me? Gotta get the lugs. I think you should have tried some of that. Fuck it. Hey. Boozy Boo still working, never not working. You feel me? Forever working. Yeah, these are ready. Trying to make sure. Had to make sure, man. You know what I'm saying? Let me see. God damn. That's alright, man. So shit. We finna get these hoes back on, man. Back with y'all when that shit done. I might get y'all a B-roll and take them off. We in Caddy, man. We back in Caddy. I know they miss me and Caddy miss me. My favorite liquor store right over there. It's all good. You see that hoe a couple of days now, man. Nigga back on the road, man. They got the same shit on for last night. Niggas went up last night in the club. Niggas gotta start getting that footage right there. Niggas gonna start getting that footage. It's very this shit coming. Taking the wheels off, getting this shit done. Boy, finna lift this hoe up in the air. And it's going down, bitch. Y'all see what's going on. Hoping to be up in the air. Y'all stay tuned. On up. Why that man got that thing so tight?
I don't know.
But them hoes coming off, man. Off with the new, back with the old, what we be saying, you feel me? Get some hoes on, get it back to the broski, so we can ride presidential, you feel me? Damn, 30. Shit. Some copper. You know what I'm talking about. I don't know what I'm talking about, man. Don't talk listen to me shit. Well, you guys, we ain't got that weight while we hydrate going on right now. I don't know where I was slipping and didn't bring me none because I knew this was gonna take long, but it's too late now, nigga. I already got down. Most one toss, one tone. Niggas say you gotta break it by hand. Shit, that shit gonna be hell too. You know this shit, but that right there gonna do it. My boy knows something. Ooh. That's crazy, Steve. Look how tight you got this thing, man. Give me help your game. You know, I'm hands on, man. I get down there with you, you feel me? Tight ass wheels, man. Steve, don't do that no more, man. Don't do that no more, bro. You see, you give my people's problem with these tight wheels. They probably charge me an arm and a leg just for taking them out. Shit's cool, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get it paid for, you know what I'm saying? Like I say, shit, we ain't got no hydration going on right now. Shit is regular. I might go to the shop later on, fuck with the guys, you feel me, or not. But that's far ride I have. No gas. No gas in here. Unless I get in the caddy truck, you feel me? But you know, it's gonna be alright. Everything gonna play out. So. Like I say, in out with the new, and with the old, cause the new looking old right now. So y'all just be patient, man. We gonna get these hoes off soon, man. You feel me? One by one, like my boy said, one by one. Man. Stay tuned. I ain't gonna nigga hold you. I'm on my way to Sonic. Nigga is thirsty as a motherfucker. I got to go get me something to drink. Stay finna. Wait, nah, that shit don't even got motherfucking Apple Pay. So I'm going this way to get me a Sprite. You feel me? But they ain't got Apple Pay. I'm thirsty as a motherfucker. Feel like a nigga finna die. I need some real hydration and some motherfucking water. No soda, but nigga gonna get that soda though, cause nigga gotta feel that quench of the thirst. Niggas be thirsty, goddamn. That water be good, but shit, niggas still be thirsty, man. Somebody got the scat pack out this hole running. That's crazy. Nigga must got trust like a motherfucker. To leave that son of a bitch running, I would never. Y'all are being recorded. You feel me? Y'all are being recorded. Man. Shit. Do I need some food? Should I get some food? But I really just want to drink.
Just drink?
Shit. Let me get a large Sprite.
Large Sprite? Alright.
A large Sprite and a fry.
A fry?
A large fry too.
Large fry too.
That'll be it, sir.
That'll be it. We're here to go.
To go. Let me be back with y'all. I gotta pay with this with Apple Pay. I got my Whataburger. So I'm on my way back over here, man. I need to, like, it's finna do it. Don't do it, man. Don't do it. I can't even flip the camera around right now. I don't even know how I'm gonna flip the camera around because I got so much stuff in my hand, but we gonna make it work somehow. Y'all might see my arm in this video, but y'all always see my arm in this video, so it's cool. The nigga feel a little happy, bro. I ain't gonna even count. I'm motivated. I gotta keep going, man. This shit gonna be legendary, you know what I'm saying? My guy got him out. My guy goddamn ain't playing. I walked to Whataburger, he got 3 off and 3 finna be on. I ain't even give you the rest of the lug nuts. You found them though, huh?
No, I need the ones for.
Alright. So let me put this down real quick, y'all, so I can get this going on. Y'all see what's going on, man. Well, you guys, it's going down, man. We done got them things off. We back presidential. I left the caps at home. I don't know how I did that. I don't know how I left the caps at home. Not thinking slow, man. Thumbnail, you feel me? But we back again with the regular degulars. See, back presidential. I gotta put those wheels in this car. Fuck. I'm gonna get them in there. Right now I'm trying to pay because it look like it's finna throw down, boy. I got over there, man. Let me see if somebody in the front ready to check me out. Hey, how you doing? I'm ready to swipe that card.
You ready to swipe that card?
You can take care of it first.
Oh no, she's getting an inspection.
Time to cash out, y'all. Go back to this crib for this rain coming.
I know.
Look like it's finna do bad.
I heard it coming.
Sometimes it ain't about the business, man. It's about the people that work there. You feel me? My guy got me right, man. Appreciate my boy. My boy working too. You feel me? Yeah. I'm out here, man. There you go. Who? That's your Mustang right there? Yeah. What you gonna do with that thing, man? That's a school shooter, man. You finna go pro charge? Oh man, that bitch nice though. I like them hoes, bro. A lot of people be talking about them, but I like them hoes. I so appreciate y'all, man. I done paid. I'm up out of here for today. Y'all boys be easy, man. I see what I did with my food. There you guys see we got that squared away. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Today has been a lovely, beautiful day. Appreciate you. Hey, you smoke vapes?
Hell yeah.
Oh shit, man. I gotta bring you back a vape. We got SSG pens vape. You work tomorrow? Or how long you at the shop?
Today's my day off.
Alright, so if I come back today, I'm gonna bring you one today. But when the next day you work?
Tomorrow.
I'm gonna come tomorrow. It's good. Gotta bring my guy a pen, man. You feel me? Support the ones that support you, man. Support can get you a long ways. You know? So we up out of here, you guys. Well, you guys would have made it back to the house, man. It just started raining, but we got the wheels on. We got the caps on. The wheels are still in the truck, because why would we take them out in this buku rain? And like, that doesn't make sense. But you see, we got that cat right there, you feel me? And we got that Tesla player right there, you feel me? So y'all can win that, and y'all also can win that. And it's still a truck going on, too. So, truck getting some work day 12 right now. You gotta stay tuned for that, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, we're here. We made it back to the house. This is a short vlog, but you know my vlogs always be short, but I'm always working, doing something. Like, you feel me? Doing something, you know, so. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. It's gonna be hella content around all these cars. I think I might start driving the Chevelle, you feel me? Like, you never know what might can happen. Like, just stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. Boo Gang finna go with what we call ourselves, the gas busters. Oh, we're gonna call ourselves the smooth boys. The boo boys. Something, man. Y'all tell me something. Just tell me something. Drop it in the comments below. But like, comment, subscribe.
It's just me and Moolah in the studio. I know how it feels when you don't talk, but